Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Does your game lag? Do you face ping issues while playing games? I play a lot of games including Fortnite and Minecraft SMP, and I was having lag issues even after improving my internet bandwidth. The issue is not with the internet sometimes, it's about the region you are in. I used proxy to fix server latency, but that also did not fix my issue. So I needed a solution for this. As you can see, the network availability is limited for this server and the game is laggy. There are many paid solutions in the market that I mentioned in one of similar videos earlier, but they charge real money each month. I have second free option for you. First one I have published earlier and that also works. So this one is TCP Optimizer, absolutely free. It is designed to help you reduce the latency you experience when playing online games. The TCP Optimizer is a free, easy Windows program that provides an intuitive interface for tuning and optimizing your internet connection. There is no installation required. Just download and run as administrator. Cool, right? So this is the program. Right click and run as administrator. And that's it. You can also click at optimal settings for even better settings. That's it. Improve ping and network and play the game lag free. So just like this, without paying anything, you can fix game lag. Once you're done playing game, you can exit the app. But next time when you will play the game, you will need to run the app again. This utility works for me. If it doesn't work for you, I have another free utility that I shared before this utility, and I know that will fix your problem. Find the link in the description. But first, try this. If you have any questions, use comment section below. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.